In this section of the Veeam Backup and Replication Hands-On Lab, you will simulate an accidental deletion of an Active Directory object and then perform a restore while learning how Active Directory application restore works. This will be the domain controller that you're doing the restore to. This will be done using the Explorer for Active Directory, a very powerful tool that allows a very simple interface to be able to take from the repository straight from that backup file without having to launch the domain controller and read that backup information even at the object level of the database directly and be able to restore it to that domain controller. So again, there's no need to launch a virtual machine or a machine to get to this content. It's a very powerful tool. Like Microsoft SQL, we'll be using the application aware settings to be able to get this access. You will be restoring to the same domain controller, but you will also see how to compare attributes between the production Active Directory and the backed up content in the repository to see what is different from current production and what you have backed up. This is another very powerful tool that will at least show you if maybe the thing that you're trying to restore isn't really gone. It might be in a different location, or they might have just thought that they misplaced that object, but it's already there. This will also simplify what needs to be restored. So if somebody accidentally deleted a certain amount of content, let's say, or a certain amount of objects like users, you don't have to ask them for the list of users. You could do a quick compare with your backup file to your domain controller in production and just take what's different and be able to restore those differences in between the two. Enjoy the lab.